Did you know background removing is a skill that you can use to earn money? Or maybe you have some personal pictures and you don't want the background on them. Or maybe you have a project upcoming which requires you to edit a lot of images. In any of those cases, let's say you have an image like this and you want it like that, or maybe an image like this which can be turned into this. Any of these scenarios, if you want to learn free background removing within seconds, you are at right place. First of all, you need to go to this website depositphotos.com, and here we select tools, select free background remover. As you can see, remove image backgrounds in a click. This tool is totally free and it's available all the time. You can even use it on your mobile phones to remove your background just like this. So this was before and this is after. Let's try some tricky images now. So all you need to do is sign up here. You can sign up using your email, or if you are logged into Gmail, I'm hitting Gmail sign in. Now that you are logged in, you just need to upload image. Let's say I have those images which I showed in the start. This is one image. I just hit upload. And it removed background for me instantaneously. This is original and this is after. So let's say I want this image. I will simply leave this part and click download image. And if I open and I click, so I have nice cleaner background now that is transparent. I can put it anywhere. Another image, let's try. Maybe an object. So let's say this flower has some background. Okay, I simply upload it and you can see this is original, too much background, and this is my removed background image. And let's try another one. Maybe a person standing on the beach, rock, with black and white background. As you can see, this picture was the most complicated one so far, and it removed everything for me, and I can simply hit download image button and get it. Okay, now how to earn money using this tool. If you go to Fiverr or any other marketplace and search for background removal, as you can see, there are so many people offering this service, starting with 10, starting with 5. Let's say we open one service to background removal, easy 15 products she is offering at 5, 25 products at 15, and 100 products at 45. So what you have to do, simply get the images from those clients, upload here one by one, remove background, and keep downloading. Hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you next. Take care. Bye bye.